When I finished my dinner, Dina had been playing a ball. When I came to Jakarta in 1999, had she already been living there about 20 years. Bayu had been repairing the fan for 35 minutes before he had lunch. Sarah had been looking for her clothes after she showered. By the time the teacher came, the students had been reading half part of the text. She was annoyed since she had been waiting for 2 hours at the bus station. I had been working at an IT company. Bob was injured his ankle because he hadn't been exercising for a long time. He had been watching a movie when it was 9 p.m. My mother had been mopping the floor with my brother when I came home. A flock of birds had been flying in the sky when I walked in the park. If he had been sleeping, I would have eaten the cake. If it had been raining, I would have stayed in the office until midnight. My sister said that her teacher had been giving her homework. He said that they had been going to station. Past perfect continuous tense digunakan ketika menyatakan aksi dengan durasi waktu tertentu yang telah selesai pada suatu waktu tertentu di masa lalu. 2. Untuk mengungkapkan suatu kejadian yang telah dimulai dan sedang berlangsung di masa lampau, namun saat ini sudah tidak terjadi lagi. 3. Untuk membicarakan aksi yang sudah dilakukan pada masa lampau, namun terjadi dalam jangka waktu tertentu di periode yang panjang. Biasanya kondisi ini juga menjelaskan bahwa aksi tersebut terjadi sebelum aksi lainnya terjadi. 4. Jika ingin menjelaskan periode sebuah aksi yang terjadi di masa lampau secara spesifik. 5. Menyatakan suatu peristiwa atau kejadian yang terjadi terus-menerus pada waktu lampau. 6. Menyatakan tentang suatu peristiwa atau kejadian yang lainnya terjadi pada waktu lampau. 7. Tenses ini dapat pula digunakan untuk menunjukkan sebuah penyebab terjadinya kejadian di masa lampau. 8. Sebagai kalimat pengandaian, conditional sentence tipe 3. Untuk menyatakan kalimat tidak langsung, indirect speech. Untuk reported speech, untuk kalimat pernyataan.